Hey there, PayPal users! Ever had an issue with your PayPal account but didn't know how to get help? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Yes, you can contact PayPal by phone. The number you need is 001-402-517-4519. I know, it's not always easy to find this information, so let me walk you through it. First, make sure you have your account details ready. You'll need your email address and the last four digits of your bank account or credit card linked to PayPal. This will help speed up the process. When you call 001-402-517-4519, you'll be greeted by an automated menu. Listen carefully to the options and choose the one that best matches your issue. Typically, you'll need to press 1 for account-related issues or 2 for recent transactions. Once you're connected to a representative, explain your problem clearly. They're there to help you, so don't hesitate to ask questions. If it's something they can't solve right away, they'll guide you on the next steps. If you're calling from outside the US, make sure you have international calling enabled. And remember, PayPal's customer service hours might differ depending on your region, so it's always a good idea to check their website for the latest info. So, there you have it. Next time you're stuck, just dial 001-402-517-4519 and get the help you need. Happy PayPaling! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Until next time.